cities in 23 countries, and now you can join me on my journey and travel with me.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Goa. Bye guys. Bye bye. Bye. Oh wow, so Jason stays here. That's Jason.
Oh, hey man.
What's up, buddy? It's an honor to meet him, bro.
What's up, man?
Go look at this, bro. This is so much food. Thank you, brother. It's so kind of you.
Yeah. So, buddy, do you have some Bitcoin?
Yes.
When did you first hear about Bitcoin?
2012.
And do you have any advice for future Bitcoiners?
Buy and hold.
All right. And why do you have Bitcoins?
Because it's the future of money.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yo. Hi. This is Vaibhav. What's up, buddy?
Okay, how are you?
I'm gonna quickly ask you, do you have some Bitcoin?
I do.
Lovely, bro. I brought my keys. Thanks to him. Lovely. Let's go. This thing goes great. I have filled my petrol on just using Bitcoin. My goodness, it's crazy. You can just buy vouchers, man. This is hilarious. Anyways, just waiting for the guy. Let's see what happens.
अपना बजाएगा.
We just got something on Bitcoin. Thank you. Love you and God bless. Bye. Take care.
We'll have it at my friend's place. My treat.
Because anyway, I'm broke, so I love hearing it also. My
Okay. Congratulations. क्या body body बना? Hi. So thank you. Bye. Bye, John. Love you. Thank you. Congratulations for the bar. Man, he accepted some sats, but then his wallet wasn't ready. You come to Goa, you go to the beach. And this is a place called Ibrahim, and they accept Bitcoin. That's why I'm here.
watermelon juice, actually. Yeah, watermelon juice.
Food, lovely people. Bye. Take care. All right, man. Thanks for coming. Bish, do you have some Bitcoin?
No, I don't have Bitcoin.
I don't have. Yeah, no Bitcoin.
So this was our little Goa meetup right here. So thank you so much for hosting, brother. And I'll see you guys. Love you all.
Thank you
Bye,
so
brother.
much.
Hi guys. Hey.
We're going to Agoda Fort for a run. It's gonna be good. It opens just at like 9, so we'll take a little stroll. Hi, what's up? How are you feeling?
All good today. Wow, I really love the sun is out. Finally, this is Goa is going beautiful. I really love it. It's raining and it's awesome and we are in beautiful places. What's this, bro?
This is prawns and coriander, and that is black pepper prawn.
Oh, 1770 AD.
G-A-G.
Here at the Dil Chahta Hai Fort.
Yes.
Polka dot butterfly.
Oh, that is.
It's
that
black
is.
and it's white spotted.
Check it, very cheap I can give you. Okay, go and check it out. And print it you want?
No, I don't want it.
These two colors are nice.
Okay, thank you very much. Wish me nice good luck for all
Yes,
this.
yes. We have
Thank you for taking the video.
all the good luck.
Okay, thank you very much.
Oh, no, that's fine.
Here, Bitcoin Traveler. This is from me and Daisy. And our message to you during your travels is chin up, chest out, like a soldier.
Yes, sir. Thank you, man. I'm going to do this. So.
But this is not pepper, this is lemon pepper.
See you, man. Hi, what's up? The great thing here is, like, my hotel is only 800 meters walking. So it's the same hotel where I stayed last time in Mumbai, the first time. Yeah, right?
How are you, man? Welcome back to Bombay.
Bro, fourth time. To the moon.
Live feed, guys.
Please tell me you guys are at the airport. Hi, what's up? And I'm getting my RTPCR done as I'm flying down to Thailand, and I'm really exhausted because there's just so much happening. And I'm getting an in-house RTPCR done. I do not know how the payment's gonna happen. बिटकॉइन लेते हो? ले लो यार, 1000 रुपए का दे दूंगा. Today just agreed. Congrats. क्यों ले रहा है बिटकॉइन?
मैं ट्रेड सीख रहा हूँ इसीलिए वजह से ट्रेडिंग
ठीक है.
शेयर मार्केटिंग बोला बिटकॉइन आई नो अच्छा है इसलिए मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ बिटकॉइन.
Okay. Awesome. And मैंने भी देखो 1000 ठीक है. Note to self RTPCR next. ये हो गया set. ठीक है. This is hilarious. I didn't expect them to accept Satoshis. So, but Nilesh, thank you so much, brother. God bless you. Sanket, God bless you. He just accepted it. He came. He was like, I've heard about it. Let's do it. Done.